Welcome to Villa Ysabel in beautiful Pedregal. Come on in and check out this lovely home. This beautiful villa also features 5-bed, 5.5 bath, barbecue area, pool and jacuzzi. What I also like about it is the incredible views of the ocean in downtown. This property has a great rental history. As you can see, it's a walking distance to the marina, downtown, restaurants, and shopping district. So, if you need any further information about Villa Ysabel, don't be afraid to contact me. See you in the next video.